Welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's start with my intro today.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, hope you are fine. My name is Ahmed. Welcome to my first video. In this video, I will introduce myself and will tell you what will be going to happen in this channel. Firstly, my name is Ahmed and I am living in United Arab Emirates and studying in grade. I am studying computer science engineering. I have learned so many types of computer languages courses. Example, Python, HTML, CSS, Java, and learning more languages. So, basically in this channel, I will teach you how the programming languages were introduced, how are they working, where we can work, where we can use these languages, all that I will tell you in this channel. Firstly, I will teach you the HTML full course, then I will proceed to new course. So keep in touch with me and I will be giving you new technology. Like this video, subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.